Finding the best dehydrator for beef jerky can feel confusing when every model promises perfect results. The best dehydrator for beef jerky is one that holds steady heat, dries evenly, and fits real home batches, not just tiny trays. After making jerky at home for years, especially for road trips and game days here in the US, I've learned which features truly matter and which don't. I've tested temperature control, airflow, and tray space so you don't have to. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Presto 06300 Dehydro Electric Food Dehydrator. The Presto 06300 Dehydro Electric Food Dehydrator is a simple pick for home jerky and snacks. I like how easy it feels to set up. There's no learning curve at all. The top-mounted fan keeps air moving evenly across each tray. That helps prevent mixed flavors. It also means no tray swapping. The nestable trays are a big win for small kitchens. They stack down tight after use. Drying fruit feels steady and predictable. Jerky comes out chewy, not brittle. The unit runs quietly during long sessions. Cleanup is quick since trays rinse fast. It also expands when you want more space later. One downside is the basic controls. There's no digital timer or temp dial. Still, for beginners or casual use, this dehydrator feels reliable, compact, and budget-friendly. Number 4. Ivation 6-Tray Countertop Digital Food Dehydrator. The Ivation 6-Tray Countertop Digital Food Dehydrator feels like a solid middle ground for home drying. I found it easy to use from day one. The controls are clear and simple. The rear-mounted fan helps food dry evenly without hot spots. That matters a lot for beef jerky. I also like the auto shut-off timer. It lets me walk away without worry. The 6 trays hold a good amount for fruit, veggies, or snacks. Airflow stays steady during long runs. Cleanup feels easy after use. The plastic body is lightweight, which helps with storage. One small downside is the fan sound during long sessions. It is not loud, just noticeable. For everyday drying at home, this dehydrator feels reliable, safe, and beginner-friendly. Number 3. Nesco FD75A Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator. The Nesco FD75A Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator feels simple and friendly from the first use. I like how easy it is to set up and start drying right away. The adjustable temp control helps when switching from fruit to beef jerky. Drying feels steady and even. I also enjoy the expandable trays design. I started with 5 trays and added more as my batches grew. It works well for snacks, herbs, and homemade jerky. The included screens and fruit roll sheets are a nice bonus. Cleanup feels quick after long sessions. One small downside is the plastic body feels light. It still holds up well in daily use. For beginners or casual home drying, this one feels reliable and stress-free. Number 2. Excalibur Electric Food Dehydrator Machine 9-Tray. The Excalibur Electric Food Dehydrator Machine 9-Tray feels built for serious home drying. I noticed how even the results were on my first jerky batch. The parallax airflow dries food without tray rotation, which saves time and effort. The 26-hour timer is great for slow overnight runs. With 9 trays, I can prep big batches for family snacks or meal prep. It handles meat, fruit, and veggies with steady heat control. The plastic body feels sturdy, but it is bulky and needs space. Still, if you want consistent results and large capacity, this one delivers reliability you can trust. Number 1. Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator. The Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator surprised me in the best way from the first jerky batch. It feels solid and made for real home use. The rear-mounted fan dries beef evenly, so I don't need to rotate trays mid-cycle. The digital temp timer makes setup simple and hands-off, which I love on busy days. I've used it for beef jerky, dog treats, and herbs with steady results every time. Cleanup is easy since the trays go in the dishwasher. It does take up some counter space, so plan ahead. Still, for batch size and consistency, this easily feels like the best food dehydrator for beef jerky I've used at home. Final verdict. If you want a reliable machine that handles jerky, fruit, herbs, and snacks with ease, I personally recommend the Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator as the best overall pick. Its even airflow, digital controls, and generous tray space make it simple to use and consistently tasty every time. For a specific need, especially if you want premium capacity and nutrient-rich drying, the Excalibur Electric Food Dehydrator 9 tray is an excellent choice. Its horizontal airflow and long timer make it ideal for larger batches and slow, steady drying. Both units deliver dependable results, so check the description link for current prices and full details. Pick the food dehydrator that fits your style and needs best. Your homemade snacks and jerky start here.